In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your creations with the community inside Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly AI account and go to the dashboard. Once you've created an image or design you like, open your generated result. Next, look for the Share button, usually found near your creation options or under the image preview. Select Public Share so that everyone can have access to your creation and click on Share. A shareable link will then be generated. Just copy the link and post your creation directly to the Artistly community feed. Before posting, you can also add a title or short description to explain your artwork or the prompt you used. From there, others can like, view, and interact with your work, and you can also explore what other users are creating for inspiration. You can also interact with other creators to share ideas and appreciate each other's creation. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.